eventerr is an all-in-one event online event platform to engage your participants and build meaningful connections, be it for networking, workshop events, meetups, webinars, and conferences. eventerr has also got your ticketed events covered. So, let's get started. Ad event is meant for event organizers. Once you create an event, you will be able to co-host events. Now your dashboard is ready. The dashboard is a place where you can see the details of all the upcoming and past events and know of tickets sold, and all participant details can be viewed. Sure, you can either choose to create a new event or modify the details of existing event. To create a new event, just click on the Add Event button and choose if you want your event to be a single session on multi-host event. Select the desired option, fill the name of the event and the schedule an event. That's it, your event will get created. You can proceed to fill in further details for your need, such as the bio of the event, host details of the speakers and sponsors, and assign the speakers to different hosts. You can even modify your virtual host setup here. Once you fill in all the required details, you can share the link with the registered participants. Your event is ready to go live now. On the day of the event, just click on the Start Session button to start the event. It says host impactful events, meetups and workshops virtually on eventerr. eventerr is an all-in-one event online event platform to